teaching children reading and writing at home. Many parents are worried about the level of education their children receive. Parents want to ensure their children get the best education possible. One way to do this is by teaching them how to read and write at home. A child must learn how to read and write before they enter kindergarten. This will give them a head start on learning in school, and they will be able to learn more quickly than other students because they have a strong foundation of reading and writing skills. Parents should start teaching their children reading and writing at home when they are babies. Teaching your child at home when they are babies will help them to learn the basics of reading comprehension and phonics. There are many strategies that parents can use to teach their children reading comprehensions, such as having them read a lot of books, playing word games, and asking them to write stories or poems. Teaching children reading and writing at home is an integral part of their education. It is much easier for parents to teach their children reading and writing at home than for teachers to do so in a classroom. There are many strategies that parents can use to teach their children reading comprehension. One method is teaching the child how to sound out words, which helps them learn the alphabet and how letters correspond with sounds. Another strategy is teaching the child sight words, which are words that they will often see in written text but may not know how to sound out. Lastly, one can teach a child how to read by using decodable books, which have sentences with shorter words that are more phonetically similar than regular sentences. Children experience many different stimuli in their environment. They need to learn the importance of reading and writing at the earliest age possible. The best way to do this is by reading them books and teaching them how to read when they are toddlers. The strategies that can teach children reading comprehension can vary from one child to another. What works for one child might not work for another, but a few strategies have proven effective in teaching children how to read. One of these strategies is phonics, a technique of sounding out words and learning about their letter sounds. Parents are the first and the most important teachers of children. They are responsible for teaching them to read and write at home. There are many ways to teach reading comprehension to toddlers, but no single strategy will work for every child. The best way to start teaching toddlers to read is through phonics, a systematic approach that helps kids learn how letters and sounds work together. Reading and writing are essential skills that children will use for the rest of their lives. Parents should be aware of the importance of teaching their children reading and writing at home. The best way to teach reading comprehension is to ensure your child understands phonics. It is a skill that will help them read words in any language later in life. Reading is crucial to a child's success in school, and parents need to teach their children to read at an early age. Learning how to read and write can be challenging for parents and children, but many strategies can help make it easier. Children should be taught how to read when they are toddlers. When they are young, they have more time on their hands than later in life. If a child learns how to read at an early age, their chances of success in school increase dramatically. Parents should also focus on teaching their children comprehension strategies to understand their reading. The best way for this is through phonics, which teaches them the sounds of letters and words that make up English words.